Hi everyone, I'm Selka Biko and I will be presenting the Social Marketing and Social Mobilization Program evaluation based on the framework I crafted. Using the evaluation framework, I will be assessing or evaluating the Fearless Girl Campaign program, which I previously reported in FMA1. Just a background, my report in FMA1 is all about the Fearless Girl Campaign program, which discusses gender diversity. It encourages companies to recruit women to their boards. Fearless Girl campaign goes viral. It has 5.3 billion Twitter impressions, 745 million Instagram impressions based on New York Times. As reported by Bloomberg News, analyst from marketing firm Apex Marketing estimated that the statue resulted $7.4 million in free publicity for SSGA as of April 2017. Also, as reported in FMA2, I'd like to show again my social marketing framework, the input, process, output, impact, and sustainability process. Input means these include goal or mission, the goal for the targeted group or social development. Process means the activities involved or the application and implementation of the campaign program, including timeline and dissemination. Impact is the effectiveness. This will measure change in behavior or satisfaction of targeted group using monitoring and evaluation or M&E after implementation. Lastly, sustainability or the continuous improvement. This include continuous learning for the improvement of the social development program or the evolution of the program implemented. Moving on, here's the evaluation framework. There are three ratings: excellent, fair, and needs improvement. Excellent scores 5. It means there's comprehensive implementation of all key indicators. Fair scores 3. It means moderate implementation of key indicators. And needs improvement scores 1, which means there's minimal implementation of key indicators. To start, let's evaluate the goal or mission of the Fearless Girl campaign based on the key indicators and parameters. I rated this as 5 or excellent because there's a comprehensive implementation of all key indicators, one of the best programs for gender diversity. First, it has a clear goal, which is to promote gender diversity in corporate leadership by encouraging companies to add more women to their boards of directors. Also, it has a clear target audience and community, able to draw a clear framework in the planning stage, the use of visual symbolism, which is the statue, and has an advanced strategy using or usage by the integrating online communication, use of mass media, digital media, and interpersonal sharing. Key elements applied was also in this program, the four P's of marketing was present. The behavioral objective was clear as well. Next, let's measure the process or activities or activity key indicators and parameters. I rated it 3 or fair because of there's only moderate implementation of key indicators, especially the high budget of the program. The Fearless Girl campaign is behavior centered. The program was able to focus on changing behavior by getting companies to appoint women to their board. Second, in terms of target segmentation, they targeted corporate decision makers and investors, as well as the general public, media, and influencers. Exchange theory, they highlighted the business value of diversity, linking social good with investment returns. Empowerment and ownership made stakeholders feel they were part of a movement by inviting public participation, photos, shares, stories. And for the tools used, statue as visual communication. The statue symbolizes resistance, courage, and aspiration. They also used the hashtag Fearless Girl on social media, which enabled visual spread tracking and online community formation. In terms of budget, the program has a remarkable cost per report that should cost around 100,000 to $200,000 plus per meets logistics cost, event launch, and promotion. Next is the positive result or output. I rated it excellent. The Fearless Girl campaign is one of the most successful social related program because the campaign has positive impact on both tangible and intangible outcomes across social, corporate, and communication spheres. Corporate behavior change. Over 300 companies added women to their boards. Global awareness, about 3.3 billion plus in Twitter, 405 million plus in Instagram views. Public engagement, millions of people engage online and in person. Earned media value, about $7.4 million in earned media. Policy and advocacy inspired other firms to adopt board diversity policy. And for cultural shift, helped normalize the conversion on women leadership. Next is the impact. I rated it 5 because the State Street Global Advisors, or the SSGA, and McCann New York used a mix of quantitative metrics and qualitative insights and media monitoring tools. Qualitative media analysis, tracking tone and narrative in global media coverage, overwhelming positive coverage amplifying the message. Awards won 18 Cannes Lions and dozens of global marketing awards. And they also use Google Analytics, web metrics to track online engagement and site traffic. SSGA internal reporting as well as measured for engagement. Lastly, for the sustainability or continuous improvement, I also rated it 5 because their strategies are effective and within the ethical social marketing mobilization program. Policy influence or influence environmental and social governance practices by helping drive broader movement of integrating gender diversity into ESG investing frameworks, replication and inspiration. Similar companies inspired globally. They launch similar initiatives and statutes reflecting the model's adaptability, organizational integration tied to a gender diverse ETF, reinforcing the social message with long-term investment. That ends the evaluation of the Fearless Girl campaign program based on the parameters indicated in each step of the social marketing and social mobilization framework I prepared in FMA2. Thank you.